Hello everyone, here are the latest market news on January the 21st, 2021. Biden undoes Trump policy, returns to climate deal. U.S. President Joe Biden, sworn on Wednesday, called his election not a victory for the candidate but a victory for American democracy, saying that much work needed to be done to heal the nation. Shortly thereafter, Biden signed 15 executive acts repealing his Republican predecessor Donald Trump's policies on wall construction, climate, healthcare, and the Muslim travel ban. In doing so, he took his first steps in combating pandemic and climate change. Among other things, the U.S. president signed a document to begin the process of rejoining the Paris Climate Agreement and issued a sweeping order to combat climate change, including revoking the presidential authorization for the controversial Keystone XL oil pipeline. Leaders around the world welcomed Biden's decision to rejoin the 2015 Paris Agreement, but said Washington must also cut emissions and use its influence to encourage other countries to do the same. Asian shares rise after Biden's inauguration. Asian stock indexes rose for the third straight session Thursday morning as Joe Biden took office as the 46th U.S. president, betting on a new stimulus package soon. They followed the same path as the U.S. indices, which earlier closed at record highs. China's Shanghai Composite Index rose 0.40%, while the Shenzhen Stock Exchange Composite jumped 1.07%. China baked and imposed sanctions on Trump administration officials, including former Secretary of State Michael Pompeo. Japan's Nikkei 225 index rose 0.78%. The Bank of Japan left monetary policy unchanged and revised upward its economic forecast for the next fiscal year. On Wednesday, the Dow Jones index closed up 0.83%, the S&P 500 rose 1.39%, and the Nasdaq was up 1.97%. Stock prices was near 20-year highs. Alibaba's Jack Ma reappears after months away. Alibaba Group founder Jack Ma met with 100 teachers in China via live video link Wednesday morning. As a result, the businessman's first appearance since October sparked a surge in Hong Kong's shares of Alibaba jumped more than 6% after reports of its reappearance, compared with a 0.64% increase in the Hang Seng Index. Speculation on social media about the whereabouts of China's most famous entrepreneurs stirred this month after reports that he missed the final episode of a TV show in which he was a judge, all during Beijing's regulatory restrictions on his sprawling business empire. Ma has not appeared in public since October the 24th, where he denounced China's regulatory system in a speech at the Shanghai Forum. That speech culminated in a clash with officials that led to the suspension of the IPO of Alibaba's $37 billion financial subsidiary Ant Group. BlackRock adds Bitcoin as investment to its funds. BlackRock Inc. is adding Bitcoin futures as eligible investments in two funds to open up the world of cryptocurrency to its clients. The world's largest asset manager said it may use Bitcoin derivatives for its BlackRock Strategic Income Opportunities and BlackRock Global Allocation Funding funds. The funds will invest only in Bitcoin futures with cash traded on commodity exchanges registered with the Commodity Futures Trading Commission, the company said in a statement filed with the Securities and Exchange Commission on Wednesday. Bitcoin, the world's most popular cryptocurrency, hit a record high of $40,000 earlier this month, up more than 900% from its low in March and just cracking $20,000 in mid-December.